Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by freeing immediate space so the system can function. Open Settings and go to Storage to see which categories eat space. Note apps, photos, and caches. Backup important photos and documents to cloud or a computer now, then disable auto downloads. Once done, force close heavy apps and uninstall one or two large apps you don't use. This creates breathing room for cleanup tools to run. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and the device is charging to avoid failures. Now you perform the deeper clean. Go into each large app shown in storage and clear cache first, then app data only if safe. This removes temp files without losing accounts. Move photos, videos, and downloads to an SD card or cloud storage, then delete the local originals. Use the device's storage manager or a reputable cleaner to remove residual files and old installers. Once complete, reboot the device so the system recalculates free space and verifies. Finish by reviewing remaining large files and uninstalling any apps you rarely use. Check downloads and messaging attachments. If you still need more space, export data and perform a factory reset as a last resort after a complete backup so the system starts fresh. Make sure to restore only necessary apps. If storage still doesn't free up, look for duplicates, hidden folders, or corrupt log files that resist deletion. If you find them, remove or repair with File Manager tools and run another reboot to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.